How much money do you have? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? I only have $4. I only have $4. I only have $4. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. May I have a look? May I have a look? May I have a look? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? How come? How come? How come? I'm saving money for the trip to France. I'm saving money for the trip to France. I'm saving money for the trip to France. Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cooking? Are you good at cooking? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. What's the address? What's the address? What's the address? It's 2235 Sun Avenue. It's 2235 Sun Avenue. It's 2235 Sun Avenue. How's school? How's school? How's school? It's okay. Some bits are good. It's okay. Some bits are good. It's okay. Some bits are good.
Thanks for watching the video.